The Grand Tour and the Worlds Beyond. The story begins with a traveler. A traveler unlike any machine before. It carries not just wires and circuits, but the imagination of an entire species. This is Voyager 1, the farthest object ever built by human hands. It does not rest on Earth. It does not circle the Moon. It does not orbit the familiar planets. Instead, it drifts alone. Untethered, weightless, moving deeper into space. A vast ocean stretching between the stars. Voyager launched in 1977. No bigger than a car, fragile by today's standards. Its computers weaker than a phone, its memory tiny, its power faint. Yet inside was a bold mission, a leap of faith that changed how we saw the cosmos. Now, decades later, it has traveled over 22 billion kilometers. Its faint signals still reach Earth. Radio dishes capture its fragile voice. Voyager, stubborn and unyielding, still speaks. But its legacy lies not only in distance, but in the wonders it revealed. In the 1960s, Gary Flandreau discovered a rare alignment. Between 1977 and 1980, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune aligned. Gravity assists could slingshot a craft across the solar system. NASA seized the chance. 2 spacecraft were built. Voyager 2 launched first, Voyager 1 15 days later. The plan was a 4-year study of Jupiter and Saturn. What followed went beyond imagination. At Jupiter, Voyager found storms larger than Earth, a magnetic field far stronger than expected. And Io, alive with volcanic fire. For the first time, humanity saw another geologically active world. Next came Saturn. Its rings were more intricate than anyone dreamed. Moons danced between them. Titan revealed a thick atmosphere, a hint of processes that may spark life. Voyager 2 pressed on. The only craft to visit Uranus and Neptune. It found tilted fields, methane storms, icy moons erupting frozen gas. Distant specks of light became living worlds. All this, with only 68 kilobytes of memory, tape recorders, and a 23-watt radio. Yet Earth still heard them. Voyager was more than a mission. It was proof humanity could step into interstellar space. The last boundary is the helipause, where the solar wind yields to interstellar space. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 crossed it. The first human-made object to leave the solar system. Instruments recorded cosmic rays and plasma ripples, as though entering an unseen ocean. But the magnetic field did not flip. Voyager seemed caught between 2 realms. Even today, its findings remain debated. But one truth stands: the edge of our solar system is stranger than we imagined. Now Voyager drifts toward the Oort cloud, a halo of icy bodies stretching a light year across. It will take 30,000 years to pass through. By then, nations, languages, civilizations may be gone. Yet Voyager will remain. Its power fades year by year. Instruments shut down one by one. By the 2030s, its voice will fall silent. But silence will not mean the end. For it carries the golden record. A message built to last 1 billion years. Etched with greetings in 55 languages. The sounds of earth, waves, thunder, wind. Birdsong, laughter, a newborn's cry. Music from across cultures and centuries. Images of DNA, atoms, rivers, deserts, animals, and human faces. It is more than data. It is a love letter to the cosmos. A declaration. We lived, we dreamed, we reached for the stars. Even if never found, its launch was a statement. We were here. But if one day it is discovered, by another civilization, or by our descendants, they will hear our voices, our laughter, our music. They will know that life once dreamed on a pale blue world. Voyager is more than a spacecraft. It is a monument to persistence and imagination. It turned points of light into living worlds. It carried our questions to the edge of the galaxy. And as it drifts into the dark, it whispers, "What lies beyond the horizon?" Who are we? How far can we